again, today we are going to do another quick Google Classroom tutorial. This one is for students who are trying to copy and paste from a Google Doc into their own Google Doc, so that way they can set it up and submit it that way. So here I have a classroom, an assignment that I created, and it has this attached Google Doc. So we're just going to click on that. It will open a new window, and students cannot edit this. They cannot edit this document in any way, shape, or form because I made it that way while I was the teacher. So we're going to just copy all of this. So your normal select all, copy all, and then we're going to pop back over to the assignment. You're going to hit add or create. You're going to hit Google Docs. So then it's going to create this Google Doc that is for this assignment. And then all you have to do is you paste it on in. And then now you can go in and you can add anything that you need to add. So if your teacher provided you with a worksheet that you need to fill out, this would be where you would do that. You would copy it over to a new one and you would paste it and then you would answer those. And so because you have done that and you make sure that all changes have been saved in the drive, you can just close this window. And it will save it to this document. And then you can just hit turn in. And it's just asking you, hey, do you want to attach this to your assignment? And you do, because that's what the directions have been given. You just hit turn in. And then there you go. It is counted as turned in. So if you ever have to do that, if you have to copy over worksheets and submit them that way, that would be how you do that.